Ayan, hello po, hello everyone. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Good afternoon sa lahat. Ayan, so dito tayo mga ma'am sir, pabaon natin po. Ayan, bilisan lang po natin 'to mga ma'am sir ha. Bilisan lang po natin 'to. Ayan, hello po. And dapat ngayon ready na po yung mga materials natin mga ma'am sir ha para bukas hindi na tayo mag-ano, takbo dito, takbo doon para kasi wala akong ganito, wala akong ganyan, okay? Ayan, dapat ready na yung mga gamit natin na gagamitin bukas para bukas ang problemahan nilang natin yung pagkain natin, okay? Ayan, sige, sige. So, dito tayo sa pabaon muna natin for general education. Ayan, first satellite of the Philippines, Diwata 1. Prime factors of 56, 7, 2, 2, 2. Bernadette's Aquarium, 480 cubic. Okay, ayan. No Limit Tanghiri, who sponsored it? Maximo Viola. Dog, lion, tiger, order. Tiger, lion, jaguar, genus. Abiotic factors, water and air. Mababang uri ng wika, balbal. Conduction, foot on the sand. Jose de la Cruz, Huseng Sisiw. Baby boomers after World War II. Results Primary School, Ateneo. Amazon, largest forests. Least common denominator of the fractions with denominators 10, 8, 4, 40. Type of learning environment is most suitable for students with special needs to ensure effective learning and support special education or SPED class. Next, Jose Rizal's novels utter the words expressing despair. Despair, Elias. Next, the largest and most biologically diverse biome on Earth. That's Amazon rainforest. Next, an example of heat transferred through conduction, walking barefoot on hot sand. Next, Manny Pacquiao has achieved numerous victories in his career. Accept defeat and respect the decision of the judges. Next, food production cannot keep up with the rapidly growing population leading to shortages and crisis. Malthusian theory. Next, close interaction between two different species, symbiosis. Next, ecological relationship is demonstrated by the interactions between farmers and cows, that is, mutualism. Next, essential skills does an individual need to thrive in today's modern and rapidly changing world? Innovation. Next, social media platform is the most widely used? Facebook. Energy is demonstrated by the running man, a basketball being dribbled, kinetic energy. Form of art mainly utilizes geometric techniques such as lines, points, and volume. Architecture. Architecture. Religious tradition emphasizes filial piety. Confucianism. Confucianism. Next, the major theme in Oedipus Rex, guilt and shame. Next, protecting wetlands, habitat. Habitat. Next, human body serves as the primary defense against infections, white blood cells. Next, Mona Lisa and the Last Supper were painted by Leonardo da Vinci. Next, lions, tigers, and leopards, genus. Next, economic policy was closely associated with the age of exploration, mercantilism. United States and Canada refused to sign or later withdraw from the Kyoto Protocol. It would hurt their economy. Next, first Filipino-made satellite, again, Diwata 1. Highest level in the biological classification system, domain. Next, best describes water and air in an ecosystem, abiotic factors. Next, maestro or teacher, they are the Jesuits. Next, Waltz King, Johann Strauss II. Next, inherent moral principles, natural law. Next, neurological disorder is characterized by abnormal movements, Parkinson's disease. Next, progressive deterioration of memory, Alzheimer's disease. Next, government-initiated sovereign wealth fund, Maharlika Investment Fund. Next, sucesos de las Islas Filipinas, Antonio Morga. Next section of the newspaper encourages critical thinking. Opinion page. Opinion page. Next, Filipino-American journalist won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2021, Maria Ressa. Establishing control over foreign lands, colonialism. Colonialism. Next, results medical study inspiration, mothers failing eyesight. Next, mercy killing, double effect. Double effect. Next, child bite or bait. That's bite. Child bite. Next, diphthongs, chinelas. Next, most frequency, Mode. Mode. Egg, flour, milk. 8 cups of milk. Next, brain develops in 6 weeks. Next, a 2-hour television program, point 0.9. Point 0.9. The flight of the Jews led by Moses from Egypt to Sinai is Exodus. Exodus. Religious missionaries first arrived in the Philippines, Augustinians. Next, algal blooms occurring along coastal regions, red tide. Red tide. James has 5 shirts, 3 shorts, and 2 pairs of shoes. 5, 3, 2, that is 30. 30 outfits. Next, prime factors of 48, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. Next, prime numbers between 1 and 100, 25. 25. Range of 95, 80, 85, 60, 96. We have 36. 36. Next, Mr. Robles, 20,000 merchandise, net price of 17,500. Discount rate is 12.5%. Next, 8,000 sold with 20% discount, paid is 6,400. Next, Horse Rain. Horse Rain. Next, Gilgamesh, an epic from Mesopotamia. An epic from Mesopotamia. Next, Socratic method, question and answer is a primer. Question and answer is a primer. Sorry, hindi ko na ano yung red. Ayan, na red dapat ito lahat. Sorry. Ayan. Okay, next. That is the softness or loudness of sounds, that is volume. First great work of English literature, Beowulf. Process used by plants, that is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Next, age of fossils, carbon dating. Carbon dating. End product of photosynthesis, glucose and oxygen. Glucose and oxygen. Burning of meteors, mesosphere. Mesosphere. Next, disturbed ecosystem can be recovered by ecological succession. Next, genetics, heredity, Mendel. Mendel. Next, world's largest ecosystem of desert. Pag largest desert po mga ma'am sir, Antarctica. Pag largest and hottest desert is Sahara. Tandaan nyo yan ha. Next, Vibrio cholera, ang shape niya, comma shaped. Okay? Next, unicellular bacteria. Next, Tao teaching, Taoism or Lao Tzu. Lao Tzu. Next, Gothic architecture, pointed arches. Next, last words of Rizal, consummationists. Ayan, hierarchy of needs, Abraham Maslow. Prize-winning poem of Rizal in UST, A la Juventud Filipina. Dictated to Rizal's mother. Dedicated to Rizal's mother, Me Primera Inspiración. Next, La Solidaridad, February 15, 1889. Next, The Reign of Greed, El Filibusterismo. Next, written by Rizal in defense of alleged laziness of Filipinos, La Indolencia de los Filipinos. Invention played a crucial role in powering the first industrial revolution, steam engine. Steam engine. The first president of the Philippines from Ilocos region, Elpidio Quirino. Elpidio Quirino. Progress of the country in the global community results from nationalism, as the economic security of the country results from productivity. Productivity. Next, all these are the procedures used by sculptors except brushing. Brushing. Next, the equation of the line with equal coordinates is y is equal to x. Next, the sum total of society's customs, traditions, ethic, values, beliefs, and prevailing practices is culture, covering over 71% of the Earth's surface and source of livelihood for over 3 billion people. The largest ecosystem in the world is the ocean. Ocean. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. This quotation means real kindness does not expect recognition. Next, as endangered animals are protected by regulating hunting, so our natural inorganic substances are protected by regulating mining. Next, Apolinario Mabini, the acknowledged brain of the revolution, wrote the principles of conduct and morality that should govern the revolutionary government as contained in El Verdadero Decalogo. Next, a campfire in which solid wood burns completely and becomes ash, smoke, and gas is an example of entropy. Next, if Miss Reyes invested 500,000 at 5.5% annually, after 2 years, her investment will earn interest of 55,000. 55,000. Next, emotional intelligence is the desired social relation trait, which starts from the understanding that peoples are naturally different. Different. Next, the fighting episodes in Afghanistan, Yemen, Ethiopia, and the Philippines are examples of armed conflict. The experimental theater, Rolando Tinio. Simplify 2y minus 3z plus 2z minus 4x minus x minus 3y, 5y minus 2z minus 5x. Next, to entertain is the purpose of fiction literary type, while to teach moral values is the purpose of literary type called didactic. Didactic. Next, the novel written by Rizal, which was first published in 1891 in Gent, Belgium, and translated The Reign of Greed, or the subversion was El Filibusterismo. Next, all the sisters and brothers, a brother of Rizal used Mercado, the father's surname. Rizal instead used the maternal surname of his father to allow Rizal to move freely while studying, because the Mercado family members were suspects as anti-government. Next, these are all painting techniques except molding. Molding. Next, the famous authors of stories in which animals are characters who teach moral lesson is Aesop. Aesop. Next, ang mga pinakapayak na anyo ng salita na walang anumang panlapi, salitang ugat. Salitang ugat. Next, observance of good manners and right conduct in places where people earn their livelihood and in the practice of their respective professions is known as work ethics. Work ethics. Next, the Austrian composer Johann Strauss is famous for his waltz composition entitled Blue Danube. Blue Danube. Next, organisms that are able to produce their own food from organic substances such as sunlight and gaseous elements are called autotrophs. Autotrophs. Next, in a moral dilemma, act or decide only when you firmly believe that what you will do is dictated by what kind of conscience? Certain. Certain. Next, places on earth that are of outstanding universal value is to world heritage, as conversion of wetlands and forests is to protection of plants and animals na natural habitat. Next, the highest consumption of electricity at home is air conditioner. Next, following our Barry Commoner's law of ecology except isolationism is advantageous. Next, dialogue, voice, movement, and electronics effects combine into an artistic creation of the theater. Theater. Next, for investment of 100,000 at 5% interest annually, the interest of after 2 years is 10,000. 10,000. Next, the indigenous peoples of Pampanga, Tarlac, and Zambales are Aitas or Aitas or Aitas. Next, the People Power Revolution of 1986 succeeded in ending the one-man rule during the martial law era. The Filipino people's achievements inspired other countries similarly situated, such as Romania, Poland, and Germany, to unite for freedom. Freedom. Next, the disappearance of animals like the dinosaur, saber-toothed tiger, and white dolphin, and the appearance of new ones like the red fox, rainbow fish, and Thai tarantula exemplify ecological evolution. Evolution. Next, Bonifacio and the Katipunero stored their cedulas on August 26, 1896, signaling open rebellion against Spain, an event memorialized as Cry of Balintawak. Next, personhood includes not only the physical aspect of the individual, but to a large extent, the individual's dignity. Dignity. Laong-Laan and Dimasalang were the pen names used by Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal. The line, Fair Hope of My Fatherland, in one of the Rizal's poem was referring to the Filipino youth. Youth. Next, the distinct biological communities that have formed and developed in response to shared physical climate and distinct physical environment are biome. Biome. Next, all of the following contribute to the greenhouse effect except hydroponics. Hydroponics. Next, the process of values clarification succeeds when something which is valued has been chosen, analyzed, and enacted. Next, Filipino stage actress who won international award is Lea Salonga. Lea Salonga. Ang ama ng Balarila ay si Lupe K. Santos. Next, Princess Diana's sudden unexpected death was like a candle in the wind is an example of simile. Simile. Natives of the Cordilleras are to the mountain biomes, as the indigenous tribes of the lowlands are to the grassland biome. Next, first Filipino bread, pan de regla. Pan de regla. Next, the region around the rim of the Pacific Ocean where many volcanic eruptions and earthquakes occur is called Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire. Next, Mr. Lozano has a budget of 50,000 for out-of-town assignments. On a particular trip to the Visayas, he spent 10,000 for food, 15,000 for transportation, and 20,000 for hotel accommodation. For this trip, he spent point 0.9 of his monthly budget. Point 0.9. Next, Governor General Narciso Claveria ordered the use of Spanish surname by Filipinos. The date of the Philippine independence was changed from July 4 to July 12 by Diosdado Macapagal. The celebrated play, which was set during the early American colonial period when Spanish influence was still strongest, Scent of Apples. Scent of Apples. Next, the highest category of the classification of plants and animals is domain. Domain. Madamdaming Mananalaysay, Teodoro A. Agoncillo. Next, Alibaba and the 40 Thieves, Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, and the story of Sinbad are some of the entertaining stories in the collection entitled The Arabian Nights. Next, the child who lost his front tooth could not blank the apple. Bite. Bite. Next, lumilipas ang ilang araw ngunit hindi siya tumanggap ng sagot. Ang pangukol sa pangungusap na ito ay nang. Nang. Ensuring the economic security of the nation is productivity. Just as commitment to the progress of the country is the global community is nationalism. Kindergarten or children plus garden, that is German. German. Next, the last line in Rizal's poem, Mi Ultimo Adios, Murer es descansar, reflects Rizal's acceptance of death for his country. Next, pinakamahalagang gamit ng wika, pakikipag-ugnayan. Next, the logical sequence of steps in the food chain is as follows. Producer, consumer, predator. Next, Philippines popular votes, US electoral votes or electoral college votes. Next, dying without seeing the dawn, referred to the regret of not seeing the liberation of the Philippines, which was expressed by the dying character of Elias. Elias. For Karl Marx, who is the oppressed, working class or proletariat. Next, perform the indicated operations and reduce the result to simplest form 3x cubed over 4y squared times 5y over x squared. That is 15x over 4y. Next, scientific studies in the energy resource yielded the result that renewable energy source is reliable. Reliable. The similar art form which combines a story or emotional experience through the use of lyrical and auditory patterns of rhyme, rhythm, and instrumental accompaniment is music. Music. Number 155, alternate name for the nameplate of the magazine or newspaper, masthead. Masthead. Next, salinity, temperature, waves, currents that affect the ocean ecosystem are described as abiotic. Abiotic. Next, film is a modern art because it uses technologies. Technologies. Next, number 158, regulating hunting is ensuring the preservation of endangered animals. Animals. Next, along dramatic poem which treats of a national hero or a topic of national history or significant national event is exemplified by the Filipino epic poem Bantugan. Bantugan. Next, the lowest form of learning observed, especially among the animals, is conditioning. Conditioning. Next, the settlement of Filipino communities to town centers called cabeceras was provided by the Spanish policy called reduction. Reduction. The interdisciplinary field, which includes studies on women, men, gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender, etc., is collectively known as gender studies. Next, third of the 13th century is Romantic period. Romantic period. Ayan. Congratulations mga ma'am sir. Ayan. Sa lahat ng March 2025 LPTs natin, sa Sunday, i-claim na natin yan ha. Ayan. Wait lang po. Sunod na po ang Prof Ed natin. Wait lang po. Okay, professional education, March 2025. First question. All are applied learning experience except learning is imposed on the learner. Next, how do cooperating teachers support practice teachers assigned to them as coaches and mentors? Next, multicultural perspective of modern education is cultural exchange program. Next, girls get limited and restricted access to education, gender discrimination. Next, hone learners' mental mathematical ability by deriving the right number set. Best modern learner-centered strategy, number games. The boat is sinking. Next factor, most crucial for schools situated in poverty-stricken communities. That is socio-economic. Next, teacher Ben Hur suffered from a lip injury. What aspect of teaching could be affected? Communication. Next, students engaged in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Example, joining school club, learning shaped by culture. Next, the importance of administering pre-test and post-test to determine how much learning has been impacted by the instructional delivery through obtained score difference. Next, you believe in authentic experiential learning. Which will you be doing more? Making students do learning activity with your guidance. Next, um, ultimate goal of eco-literacy to increase students' environmental awareness and care for sustainable development. Next, according to Kohlberg, what should teachers and parents focus on? Moral reasoning. Next, which has been neglected if there is no flow, reinforcement, and enhancement in curriculum? Continuity. Next, alternative learning effective during COVID-19, which prevented face-to-face learning, is virtual learning. Next, physical aspect of classroom management to consider to get to know students more, seating arrangement. Next, students are diagnosed with suicidal tendencies. How can this be resolved? Strong counseling program. Next, first phase of internship program, observation. Next, feature of child in early childhood is readiness for schooling. Newly graduate and previously registered teacher is as novice. Blended learning mixed with online material with physical work, interactive learning. Cost of ADD and ADHD, brain injury. Next, best way to ensure all rules are followed, involve the students in crafting rules. Measure of spread in test scores, standard deviation. Students from urban area performs better than counterpart, geographic setting. Next, not congruent by much qualities, fair, inventive in methods. Next, Batas Pambansa 232, otherwise known as Special Education Act, inclusion of children with special needs in all programs and concerns of the government. Next, formulating true or false, which require the question apply for all, universal in scope. Next, does not exemplify active learning under student-centered approach, textbook reading assignment. Next, why are people victimized by financial scams? They desire for easy and quick money. Next, bullying happen when teacher as culprit. How with teacher as culprit? How can this be avoided? Be careful and sensitive with the words and gestures that may be offensive for to students. Next, significant to cognitive development, one involving memorizing a poem. Next, most crucial in determining the class valedictorian, grades and achievement. Next, provided with learning experience but failed to achieve it, learning disability. Next po, strategy in DepEd that all children must learn together regardless of difficulties and differences, inclusive education. Next, non-digital education technology, flip chart. Next, class seems chaotic and disorder. What does this signify? Classroom management has not been established. Next, compare and contrast progressivism and perennialism. Progressivism views that learning is continuously changing and innovating, while perennialism stresses on constant knowledge and timeless wisdom. Next, how can teacher best model social literacy for her class, show love and care for her students? Next, Miss Chris do not or does not agree with school policy. What should she do? Make an honest effort to understand, support, and carry the school policy even if she does not personally agree. Next, how to rediscover and enhance creativity. Let them create artwork out of their emotional and behavioral expression using the kinds of media they prefer. Next, TV game. where two groups are challenged to give related concepts or ideas, is Family Feud. Next, list insignificance for practice of the profession, status, and pay. Next, through of good practice teaching portfolio, the student teacher compiles evidence of or evidences of relevant practice teaching experiences together with his or her reflections on these experience. Next, value of standard test over teacher-made test. It's normative validity. Next, best time to explain and discuss classroom rules at the beginning of the school year. Next, in outcome-based teaching learning, what is the basis of evaluation? Learning outcomes. Next, to cater linguistic learning, which should be utilized. Writing rap based on lesson. Next, for Vygotsky, children, especially the your and special learners, acquire learning bets through hands-on. Hands-on. When people go to other society which are different from theirs, culture shock. Culture shock. Owing to the issues in friendship, family, gender rights, etc., is a value subject that provides a wide opportunity for value formation for learners, social science. Next, which of these rating is considered to have passed the teacher let based on PD 1006? That is 70% average with no rating below 50%. Next, what portfolio will you use when you apply for a job? Showcase portfolio. Next, identify the characteristic that can make an assessment difficult to apply or avoid, dwelling on abstract assessment concept. Next, tests in school are viewed to be blank when are easy to administer and score suitable to test condition and within budget limitation usability. Usability. What does achievement test measure in previous learning? Quality and quantity learning. Next, because of this nature, what can be of greater help for students' self-directed learning? Analytic rubric. Next, the focus of learning is congruence of the learning objective and outcome. Next, determine gaps in learning a subject matter. Formative assessment. Next, which should you avoid in parents-teacher conference in card giving day? One, blaming the students for failure or compare the students and show other students' performance and assure the parents passing. Next, to respond to data gathered from his or her own self-assessment, which guide the teacher in CPD? Individual plan for professional development. Next, to integrate the VMGO in the daily lesson, the teacher must align the school's VMG and core values in daily lesson. Next, children in this stage that believe that rules can be changed if group can agree upon them. This describes as progressive equilateralism. Equalitarianism, sorry. 8 to 11 years old in incipient morality. Next, along Piaget's principles, this is the most appropriate for learning lit in middle childhood. Provide materials such as mind twister, brain teaser, riddles. Next, what is teacher Shena encouraging by her hands-on and play approach for teaching her childhood learner or her early childhood learner self-expression? Since this may develop a threatening atmosphere, which of the following is simulation to abstract the real world to learning? Okay, monopoly. Next, the school is preparing for national choral presentation. What should be teacher's response? Attend to boost the morale. Or what project will you propose for more senses are to be involved in learning? Field trip. Next, most appropriate to compare effectiveness in practice teaching in lab class in a university. Experimentation. Next, cognitive advancement in adolescence is metacognition. What does metacognition mean? Ability to identify one's own thinking and strategies. Next, at what age is the Filipino child a beneficiary of this early childhood care and development act under the RA 8980? Birth, age 6. Birth to age 6. In progressivism, what kind of society is viewed that will require relevant knowledge and skills? Present day society. Next, who adopted the motto learn by heard, hand, and heart? Pestalozzi. Next, what would you view as the paramount ideals in perennialism education, which value is established principles rather than change humanities? What aspect of education is lacking among perennialist educators such as Andlers and Hutchins, who values education for advancing democratic principles, vocational work skills? There are numbers of issues in the Philippines requiring the teaching of subjects such as taxation, agrarian reforms. This proves that schools must seek reforms in society on which philosophy of education is this based. Reconstructionism. Test the reliability of her achievement test. Administer two equivalent tests to the same group. Next, developmentally appropriate pedagogical approach fits the learner's developmental stage. Next, goal of Vygotsky's theory of what a learner can do without assistance, autonomy. Avoid during online learning facilitation, reading of long passages in class. Next, curriculum in its broadest sense, total learning experience. Learning material in discussing Philippine tourist destinations, video footage from YouTube. According to Vygotsky, what should teachers and parents focus on? Guidance. Next, what does achievement test measure in previous learning? That is quality and quantity of learning. In integrative learning, the learner apply previously acquired knowledge to new knowledge. Next, purpose of item analysis that can be automatically generated in online assessment. Find out validity of the test. Next, greater help for student self-directed learning, analytic rubric. Next, develop eco-literacy among your students, empathy for all life forms, and sustainability as an individual and a community. Next, focus of learning, congruence of learning objective and outcome, help develop functional literacy to the optimum. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Principle behind RA 10533 stipulating education for all with or without disabilities, inclusivity. Next, child has difficulty in taking the view of others, assumes everyone has the same view as he has, egocentrism. Next, indispensable part of teaching learning to motivate learners, constructive assessment. Next, connotes communication skills, articulates discussion well. Next, main goal in SBM of school and community partnership, student overall wellness. Next, according to Bronfenbrenner, what should teachers and parents focus on? Child's environment. Next, in a science class, which is not appealing to naturalist learners, writing points. Next, make rules and procedures that are reasonable and necessary. And two, clear and comprehensible. Next, most suitable for measuring athletic ability, performance measurement. Next, in babyhood, manifestation of progress in affective intelligence, showing different emotions. Next, Zenny, 14 years old, has not yet menstruated yet, and while her friends friend Remy had Menard at 12 years old. Development rates vary. Okay. Next, teachers act as coaches and mentors to practice teachers. What do they employ? Coaching and mentoring. Next, differentiated teaching means use of varied teaching strategies. Next, paradigm shift from 20th century except time-based. Next, journal reports of students during field study, factual observation. Next, verbal lectures, discussions, talking things through, listening, auditory learners. Next, RBEC was set on place as a result of program evaluation. Next, school that is left behind and faculty and staff with no relevant mindset and practices, assist everyone, update them. Next, judge in cyberspace, post, grammar, statement, comments, etiquette. Next, not global citizen. Diana burned her gadgets when it's no longer useful. Next, computer-assisted test gives immediate feedback and it's useful when immediate and frequent answer. Next, true about portfolio assessment, considered authentic assessment. Next, most tests to determine possibility in making it in the actual let. predictive validity. Next, transformational leader, creative, safe environment, construction meaning, construct own meaning, exploration, and inquiry. Next, heroism is a life of selfless and sacrifice. Frontliners, teachers, international achievers, OFWs. Next, effective strategy for inclusive learning, mainstreaming. Next, growth on an holistic and timeless perspective, human development. Next, best things to be done after motivational strategy like games. Reflect on the activity. Next, what makes a home important in values education? It is the foundation of values. Teachers' relationship with parents except a debt of gratitude or utang na loob. Next, immediate external stakeholders to education, community. Next, start of puberty such as menstruation, adolescence. A professional teacher's social responsibility, serving in elections, doing household census. Next, shift from residential face-to-face to flexible learning. That is to ensure health, safety, and security. Next, teachers a future career progression, educational leader, and academic specialist. Next, the layout of text, music, images, pictures that match the narration, storyboarding. Next, base of an assure model, evaluate. Teleconferencing classes, Google Meet, Zoom, Meet, Facebook Messenger, and Skype. Next, write a good paragraph. Ask the students to write a paragraph. Global learners, generalized ideas. Next, Kohler and Mishra, TPAC. Example of soft skill important for teacher who works in a school as community. That is teamwork. Teamwork. Edgar Dale's cone of experience at the bottom, direct experience. Not caused by chromosome deficiency, paralysis. True of metacognitive teaching approach increases learner self-awareness. Next, at what stage is it best to inculcate career and professional values? Adolescence. Next, earliest form of correspondence used since the ancient days of communication, letter. Letter. Dr. R. Puentedura, SAMR. Next, present in Bloom's taxonomy except creating. Creating. Next, implied in Dale's cone of experience that best work for kindergarten, real life experience. Next, did not meet expectations in two subject areas, remediate. Most useful in evaluating dance performance, observation. Mechanical technologically, ayan, spring-driven clock. Next, process of child development that arouses interest in learning through music and dance. That is socio-emotional. Next, uh, sign of emergent reading at age 7, fascination with books. Next, most relevant pedagogical methods to serve global learners, exploratory methods. Next, characteristics of growth mindset but not focusing on grades. Okay. In mode of presentation, what medium is the tableau? That is visual. Visual. Next, asynchronous mode, blog. Right action in case there's an indication of cyberbullying, talk to a trustworthy adult. Next, are intermediate schoolers capable of concealing their emotion? Yes. Okay, yan. Congratulations mga ma'am, sir. I hope this pabaon will help you bukas sa exam natin. Mga ma'am, sir, yung sa may majorship sa grupo natin naka-upload yung yung pabaon po ng majorship. Ayan. So, dapat po, as I've said earlier, dapat nakahanda na ang mga gamit natin na dadalhin bukas. Ready na dapat yan lahat. Para ang problemahin na lang natin bukas, ang food at tubig na lang natin. Okay? Ayan. Pero wag po muna i-prepare yung baon ngayon ha. Wag niyo i-prepare ang baon niyo ngayon kasi bukas pa po kayo mag-exam. Baka panis na bukas. Okay? Ayan. Laban po tayo mga ma'am sir para sa pangarap. Lagi pong laban. Walang susuko. Andito na tayo. Ayan. Alam kong kaya nyo yan bukas mga ma'am sir. Kaya nyong makuha ang 3 letra. Alam ko po yan. May tiwala ako sa inyo na sobrang laki. Mas malaki pa sa mundo. Ayan. Kaya bukas, laban po tayo mga ma'am sir. Ayan, ihanda na po natin ang sarili natin para sa Huling laban bukas, last let na po natin ito mga ma'am sir, last let na po ano. Ayan, isigaw, 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 last let ko na ito, last let ko na ito. Ayan, sige po. Maraming maraming salamat sa lahat. Good luck po, good luck from Teacher Seppi and TCRC team. Ayan, sabay-sabay tayong lumaban bukas mga ma'am sir. Ay mga ma'am sir, meron pala akong request sa inyo. Bukas po, if possible, I need your ano po, i-ano lang po natin, itawag nito, yung mga lumabas kung mayroon po kayong mai-share sa mga future LPTs po natin ha. Ayan, doon lang po natin gawin sa GC. Ayan, maraming salamat. God bless everyone. This is Teacher Seppi. Ayan, ayaw ko na kayong makita sa next season ha. Ayan, kasi pasado na bukas ang lahat. God bless po. Good luck and stay safe. Stay safe po.